Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting Technophone, and today video title is guys how to enable do not disturb mode in Technophone. And you want to enable guys your do not disturb mode, so how to enable it in Technophone today friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friend we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will search here guys do not disturb in search bar guys. We will type here guys do not. Friends you can see guys do not disturb as guys you can see your do not disturb setting guys, sound and vibration guys. Tap here friends, you can see your do not disturb guys direct. We will come here, so we will tap here the right side to enable it. After enable guys do not disturb mode icon will on our screen guys, you can check. And friends come back and friends you can see guys your media volume and ringtone volume will off in your Tecno mobile. So like trigger we can enable do not disturb mode. So bye guys.